Frase marketing team app. The pros, the cons. If your marketing team wants to accelerate content creation and optimize for search, Frase marketing team might seem like a game changer. But does it really deliver for enterprise teams? Let's find out. On the positive side, Frase helps teams generate content briefs, optimize for SEO, and create content faster using AI. Its standout feature is automated topic research and content suggestions based on top ranking pages, which helps teams stay competitive and save hours on research. Many enterprises report increased content output, improved search performance, and better alignment between marketing and SEO teams. Another advantage is real-time content scoring, which shows how well a draft matches SEO goals and target keywords. However, there are drawbacks. Some users find AI-generated content needs careful review for accuracy, brand voice, and originality. Pricing can also increase for large teams or enterprise usage. Another limitation is that Frase supports content optimization and creation but doesn't replace strategic planning, audience analysis, where campaign management human oversight is still essential. Most people get this wrong. They assume I can handle content strategy end to end. The surprising truth is that AI tools are accelerators, not replacements, and the best results come from combining human insight with automation. In conclusion, Frase marketing team app is a powerful tool for speeding up content creation, optimizing for SEO, and improving team collaboration. It saves time, provides actionable recommendations, and enhances workflow efficiency. But to achieve real marketing impact, teams need strategy, creativity, and quality control. For enterprises ready to blend AI efficiency with smart content strategy, Frase is a valuable ally.